Okay, so congratulations. You've been absolutely fantastic. Not only have you located a limiting belief, you've now replaced it with an empowering belief, one that you've created, which is fantastic because you are a creator. That's what you are. That's what we all are as humans. The thing that separates us from all of the other animals in the world are the creative faculties in our mind. And you use them now to create a new empowering belief consciously. Therefore, you're consciously creating your own circumstances and environment. You're taking your power back, which is absolutely fantastic. The final step, now that you've created your new empowering belief, is just simply to write down three small action steps that you can take that reinforces this new belief. Okay, so the question to ask yourself is, what would someone with this belief do? So for me, the right people will always be there to help and support me. What would someone with this belief do? So it could be very small action steps here. It could be, I'm going to write down a new identity for myself in fine detail, explaining how I believe and why I believe the right people will always be there to help and support me. Action step number two could be, I'm going to ask someone for some help on this particular project. Action step number three could be, I'm going to give that person the benefit of the doubt